If you're looking for some good tacos, then Tacos My Friend is a must try. Tacos My Friend is located in Winter Haven, Florida. The best part is that each taco is only $1.
This place is amazing. The food is made with fresh ingredients and a lot of flavors.
What do you think about the taco, Kelly? Good? What kind of taco did you order?
Steak.
Steak?
Yeah.
Oh. Let me see it. Oh, nice. What's on the steak taco?
Have cilantro, onions,
Cilantro, onion.
I'm not even gonna lie, guys. These are some of the best street tacos I've ever tasted in my life. Each plate is served with cilantro, freshly diced onion, fresh lime, and also roasted jalapeno. And guys, also you have a wide variety of meat selections to choose from. My two favorites are pork and chorizo.